All right. Let me get this link shared out to Discord. Get everybody alerted. Oh, yeah. Let me get out on Twitter. Bing, bop, boom, bam, baby. Let's go. Paul, what up? Am I thinking to sell? I don't know yet. I don't know yet. After this sweep of liquidity here and big buyback up, I don't know. I don't know what I'm thinking just yet, but I can say this. We gonna make some monies. Let's look at financial juice real quick. Just take a look at news. Take a look at the news. Let's see. We had jobless claims out this morning. Probably contributed to that rip. We've got PMI and home sales, 8:45 and 9 o'clock. So we got a little bit of news. Little bit of news, chat. Gonna let this news play out probably. See what the market brings us after the news. Don't want to get caught in anything. G-Man in the building. What's up, G-Man? How you doing, bro? How you doing? How you doing? So news in 15 minutes and 30 minutes. As an FYI, market is open, chat. We are open for business. I need to make sure I got everything pulled up correctly since I was trading gold last night. Need to make sure I'm on the correct cons. Nasdaq. Okay, perfect. Get back on Nasdaq here. There we go. There we go. There we go. Nas trying to hold VWAP there. Catch a little buy ski. Definitely not gonna rush into anything today, chat. We are sitting so freaking green this week that I'm not down to give it back. So we're going to be very, very patient, take small base hits, and just grow the accounts. You feel me? That's all we're doing. That's all we're focused on. Of course, we gotta do the live. Hold on. We gotta do the Instagram story. Always daily. We're back live on YouTube. Trading the Nasdaq. Got Discord ready. Got YouTube ready. Got the charts ready. About to make some moolah. Let's go. Trading the Nasdaq. Got Discord ready. Got YouTube. Perfect. All right. Got the charts ready. About to make some moolah. Let's go. Story is posted. I can get rid of these levels here. Zoom out to the 15. Take a little look at what we got. Interesting little buy up there. I'm assuming that was jobless claims. Right? Wait, why is my time frame all off? Am I set to Eastern, bro? Holy cow, I'm set to Eastern. Oh, no, 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 sir. Hold on, we gotta set that back to Chicago. I wonder why my time frames are all like messed up. Holy moly. Chat, I was still on Florida time. I've been on Florida time this whole week, brother. Holy moly. Okay. Yeah, that was jobless claims, that buy up. Nice little Selsky. Sellers bringing us down. My Chicago, no, I'm in Missouri, but that's the closest time frame that you can do. It's just Central Time, Chicago time, basically what it refers to. I'm like 8 hours from Chicago, I think. All right, chat. Keep in mind we have news in what is it? 10 minutes. 8:45. Yeah, we got PMI in 10 minutes, and then home sales at 9. So if you don't want to get caught in news, watch yourself. Wow, look at this buy up. Big buys, big buys. Big buys. Chat, if you haven't already, be sure to smash that like button. Let's get the likes up early. Get the likes up as early as we can. The more likes we have, the better. The better. We have all of our accounts pulled up too. We have Top One, Top Step, Tradeify, and Take Profit. All of them pulled up. All of them going to be traded. Maybe. I don't know. We'll see. If you want to get the best deals possible, always code JM. You see the bottom of your screen there, bottom left. Code JM. Best of the best code in the world. Paul says smashed. Appreciate you, Paul. Appreciate you. Nas hovering VWAP here. Probably gonna chill until we get that news coming out at 8:45. Teetering VWAP. Chat, as you know, we got the liquid death water ready to go. No Celsius this morning, just water. Now it's kind of chopping around here on the 140s, 138s. Waiting for some news. Checking these headlines here. All right. Nothing exciting. We got PMI dropping in, what was it, 5 minutes. 5 minutes, chat. Be aware. Mario in the building. What's up, Mario? Good morning. Did you get your payouts? I have received all of my payouts. That is correct. We are sitting nice and green on the month. Trying to get one more payout before the end of the month. If we get one more payout, we'll be sitting at a $20,000 month in payouts this month. 20,000. We got PMI come out in 30 seconds, 45 seconds. Wait, why wasn't my story uploaded? Oh, my Instagram story didn't upload, chat. What in the... That's annoying. All right, there we go. I think now it did. I think it did now. Hold on, let me double check. Let me double check. All right, we're good. We're good. Congrats, it's amazing work on payouts. Gracias. Gracias. Krista's in that building. What's up, Krista? G-Man, the 15-minute candle looking very indecisive, very much so. I'm 4K behind you in payouts. Got to catch up. Hey, it's a race. It's a race. Chat, we had an incredible stream last night on gold. I mean, we had a lot of people. 118 people last night on the stream. Seems like a lot of people like the gold streams in the evening. So I think we're going to do more of those. Think we're going to do more. Missed it. It's all good. I mean, there's going to be more of them. We're going to do another one tonight. So don't worry about it. Was on Discord? No, it's here on YouTube. here on the tube. PMI dropping in about 1 minute. And then we have home sales at 9, chat. Be aware. Market's kind of just chilling here, waiting for all the news to drop. So we shall chill with it. Don't get the alerts. Oh no. We can't have that. Can't be having that. Large sellers on Delta. Speaking of, I need to get my book map pulled up here. Hold on. Book map. Where art thou? Hold on. There we go. Book map gives you a headache. Yeah, it's I mean, I don't know. It takes some getting used to, I guess. Gotta make sure I can see these orders. All right, PMI out. Didn't really do anything. Bo, what's up, dude? Welcome. What's up? What's up? All right, PMI was a bust. It didn't really do anything. We have home sales coming out in 14 minutes, 13 and a half minutes. Try learning, but the tutorials feel a little lacking. Well, there's only two things, well, maybe a little more. A couple of things you just need to know. One, you have the order book, COB. Tells you how many orders are sitting where and what price. Larger the bubble, bigger the volume. Thicker the liquidity, the darker the colors. Tend to act as magnets for price. Bang, bang. You know book map. Got to be patient with this type of PA, 100%. We have news. I feel like the market's just kind of chilling until all the news comes out. Okay, that makes more sense. Wish someone explained like that. It's really literally all it is. I mean, there's other things inside a book map you can use, but if you want like the general idea of book map, that's essentially what it is. Market waiting on home sales come out. They got about 12 minutes. And we'll see if market gives us some volatility for us to take some trades. Oh, wait, why is my screen so... Hold on, chat. My bad. There you go. I didn't realize my screen wasn't full screened. All right, we need Nasdaq to oh my god, why is everything so messed up, bro? Hold on. Chat, my whole like everything just got so messed up. There we go. Let's move that back over. There, we good? I moved things around and then just moved my whole screens around. All right, there we go. All right, now is literally just chilling here, doing nothing, waiting for home sales. I mean, literally doing absolutely nothing. And my camera just died too, bro. Everything's breaking on me, chat. Like, what the? Literally everything's breaking on me, bro. Chat, we're gonna leave the camera off for a little bit, let it just chill and charge a minute, and then I'll turn it back on. Literally, my whole stream is just breaking everywhere. Overheat, yeah, I guess so. I think I accidentally left my camera on like all night. I didn't turn it off. So that's probably why. I mean, it stays plugged in the charger, so it's always charging. But I think my camera did overheat. I need to probably buy new batteries for my camera. You done that? Yeah, I've done it several times. It's pretty annoying. I should probably keep a backup battery charged. Just pop it in. All right, now it's getting a little bit of a push here, coming up to the 214s. Waiting, trying to get a entry on a long if possible, but we do have home sales coming out in about 7.5 minutes, and so I'm trying to be cautious and not get caught into any news. While we wait on an entry here and wait for news to come out, be sure to smash the like button. We got 65 people in here. Let's get some likes up on the stream. The more likes, the better. Have a thumb war with the like button, chat. That's what you should do. Mario becoming a member of the channel. Mario, appreciate you, big dog. Appreciate you. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Wow, Nas is really ripping here. Really catching a buy up. The green name and the trophy looks good on you, brother. Looks good on you. All right, Nas hovering these highs over here, over at 239s. We got home sales dropping in 5 minutes, chat. 5 minutes for home sales. Whoa. Once home sales comes out, we'll see if the market gets a little bit of volatility and see if we can find a direction to take with the market here. Just in time to finish making my coffee. Yo, I love some coffee right now. In fact, I might have my wife get some coffee. That sounds kind of good. Hold on. She's in the living room, chat. We're going to call her. Should I ask her for coffee, chat? Hey. I'm going to put you on speakerphone because I'm going to talk to you and my chat at the same time.
Okay.
Do we have coffee?
Yeah.
Want to throw a pot on for us?
I can. I don't know if we have any creamer.
We don't have any creamer? Chat, we don't have any creamer. That's a problem.
I could run to the store real quick.
If you're feeling up to it, you don't have to. I mean, if you're doing that, you might as well just go get us some Starbucks. You feel me?
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
What do you want?
Are you going to Starbucks?
I guess so.
Chat, Chat, should I get a... Y'all know how I feel about iced coffee, bro. Should I get an iced coffee just for the one time? What do you guys think? Iced coffee? Yes. Yes. A lot of yeses.
Because it's the best.
All right. I guess like an iced espresso, something espresso, whatever I got you last time.
Okay.
We'll do that. With that, hey, make sure they throw an extra espresso shot in there.
Okay.
All right. Appreciate you.
Make sure you listen for Bub.
Okay. Love you.
Okay. Love you.
All right, chat. We're getting espresso. Always extra espresso. Yes. Dominique. All right, chat. Let's see if the camera turns on. Hold on. There we go. Camera's back on. Let's see if it stays on this time because I don't know. There's something weird going on. Yo, look at this rip on NQ, brother. Holy moly. There's the video proof. Okay, chat, hold on. I'm not gonna lie. I did get my wife a like brown sugar espresso from Starbucks or whatever it was. It's like a brown sugar drink with espresso shots. I tried it. I'm not gonna lie to you, it was pretty tasty. Definitely on some white girl shit, but hey, it was tasty. All right. Home sales. 2 minutes. Three shots of espresso with 2 pumps of white mocha iced tea. Ooh, baby. Oh, baby. Made you spit out your coffee. Caramel macchiato is your go-to. I actually like caramel macchiatos. Hot, though. I like hot caramel macchiatos with the extra espresso shot in it. The issue I'm having, chat, this is the problem I'm running into is y'all know I'm not huge on iced coffee, but here's the problem I'm running into. It's fucking summer, all right? It's 1,001 degrees outside, and I don't want to be drinking anything hot. That's the problem I'm running into. It's an epidemic. I need to have something cold to fit the summer vibes. It's a problem. So I feel like I have no choice but to drink iced coffee or iced espresso or whatever iced. All right, home sales. Coming out. Only place I get iced coffee is a small coffee shop in my area. They make it so well it tastes like drinking magic. That's crazy. Magic. All right, Nas is on a little bit of a ripper here. Home sales really didn't do shit to the, to the market. So we're just going to look for longs. Try to find some long opportunities here. See what we can find. Maybe get a little bit of a pullback. I don't know how deep of a pullback. But it feels like the Nas is wanting to rip, possibly retrace this. So he's got to find a pullback to get long off of. And then we ride, chat. And then we ride. Chat, I'm not gonna show you anything here, but just know I'm cooking. I'm cooking an indicator, chat. I'm cooking something here, and I'm gonna give it to you guys for free. I've been spending some time coding, using AI to teach me a coding indicator. I'm gonna try to have it done by June, middle of June. And if it all works accordingly, it's gonna be fucking powerful. You guys just wait. Y'all wait, bro. I'm telling you. Your boy is cooking. All right, so looking like we're just gonna get this slow grind. Have fun with it. Oh, I'm going to. I'm trying. I'm trying. Hang on, chat. Be right back. All right, now it's trading to 90s. Looking for a pullback to get long off of here. Let's see. Make sure we don't have any more news coming out. Don't really see any other news coming out today. I don't know about you guys, but does the market feel like it's just like waiting on something? Like with how slow the market's been moving? Does it feel like the market's like trying to anticipate something? I mean, we're getting a rip here, but it just feels like in general the market's waiting on something to happen. It's like even though we're getting this big rip here and like we're moving, it's so slow. It is so slow. It's hard hard to get in on because it's like, one, it's slow, and two, there's no pullbacks. It's like, how do you just get in on this? And there's just no way unless you just market order in and just ride it. What's the daily been doing? Let's take a look at the daily. Very slow for the Nasdaq. At 100% is, yeah, 100%. Trying to get a general idea what the market's trying to do here. A lot of resistance up here.
Shopping with your parents can be amazing. Why would they throw jeans with holes in them? I'm going to speak to the manager. Mom.
Daily. Daily has a little bit of a curling pattern here. But we are just moving and grooving to the upside today. Jojo, the algo has blessed me with your stream. Welcome. Welcome to the stream, Boston. All I have today is my pre-market trade. Not complaining, but still, yeah. Yeah. I mean, look, it's like we're not getting really any pullbacks. Just screaming to the upside right now. All right, G-Man. I mean, we are just screaming to the upside, slowly but surely. Does all this get retraced, chat? What do you think? Do we think we retrace all of this here? Nice, Krista. House passed tax cuts, so I suspect the market will be happy. Probably. Yeah. I mean, this looked good for a long to begin with. I mean, we had a nice little sweep here. Nice little sweep, buy up back into it, make a little higher low here, back into VWAP. I mean, the buy made sense for sure. Nice little risk reward too. I would love a huge correction, but finding the market a lot harder to read the last few weeks. Yeah, the market's been tough. It's not been an easy market for sure. It's been a tough market. Nice, Mario. Tuxedo, good morning. Maybe some resistance at 370, then a pullback at 325. The best case scenario, push back to 400s. Just need something here. Something to give me an entry. Find a little bit of resistance here. Come back down to, like, I don't know, 60s. Find me an entry there. That'd be ideal. Holding long from 203. Nice. Bro, it's probably going to trace all the way back to 21,000. Stay patient. We had nasty sell-off yesterday. I don't know. Maybe. Maybe. 21,000. 300 points down. All right, let's see if this gives us a nice little pullback here. Chat, should we do another gold stream tonight? What are you thinking? I think we should. I think we do another gold stream tonight. That was fun. What time? Probably go live around 6:45 or so. $6.45. Absolutely stream tonight. That's what I'm thinking too. Absolutely. Might make myself a little margarita, chat. I can't tell you guys it's a margarita. It's gonna be lemonade. I'll be drinking lemonade tonight. Awesome. We'll be back home by then. Nice. That's right. It's just gonna be lemonade. Always try better when lemonade is involved. That's right. That is right. All right, getting a little pullback here. Pullbacks trying to get pretty steep. We'll see if we can get down to like 60s. I really want the entry to be like 60s down here. Wait, why'd that not? Why is my shit not working? Oh no, chat, my thing's not working. Hold on. There we go. Okay. I had a limit order set down there at 60s, so we're long one. Just like that. That's all we want to base it, baby. Right there, it's up 280. I was about 13 points. That was precision. Now wait, why is my shit not working, brother? I gotta click on everything, bro. Oh my lord. I feel like everything on my stream just broke. Holy. Nice one, guy. A little gapple sauce. That's right. Just a little, just quick little hit. You know what I mean? Just a quick little bump. Pull some money. Quick little base hit. Took 0 drawdown. That was a quick trade too. Really quick. All right, look for one more setup on these funded accounts, and then we'll lock these accounts up and move on to Tradeify. Base hits out up quick. Yes, they do. Yes, they do. Reason why I wanted 60s was I liked the wick test here. Like I wanted us to come down and test this wick and also test this general range and see if we can catch a buy up off that wick. And I really wasn't looking for like a huge trade. I didn't really expect it to go all the way back up. But a nice little wick test here, usually good for about, 15 points or so. So we'll take that. And we'll see if gives us another entry here. You always love just starting off green, like your first trade being just a green trade and just starting off nice and in the green. You know what I mean? It's always a good feeling, chat. Always a good feeling. Appreciate it, Paul. Scared the limit we're seeing out at 21,000 even. Like I see those orders down there, but that is, I don't know if that gets filled, chat. I mean, it's almost every day we have large orders down, like really far down at key levels. Like that's pretty far. I mean, could we drop 260 points on the NAS? Absolutely, that could happen easily. It does it all the time, right? But that feels like a spoofed order, like not really a real order. You know what I mean? Like as we get closer to it, they'll probably take it off. Just feels like a spoof. Could be a fat finger order. Speaking of fat finger, I had the most insane fat finger when I was in Tampa at the seminar. I was in a position and somebody came up to talk to me, and like I put my hand on the mouse and I moved the mouse, or I wanted to move my mouse over to check something. And when I put my hand on the mouse, it was a trackpad. It was on my laptop, right? So I left the trackpad on my laptop. And once I did that, the moment I put my hand or my finger on the trackpad, it closed all of my orders. All of my orders closed. And I was like, and to be honest, it saved me because my trade was actually wrong and I was going to be red on the trade. And closed everything, bro. Closed every single order. I guess I had my my mouse hovering like the X on the position. So the fat finger saved me for sure. The guy saved me. The guy caused me to fat finger a trade, and it saved me from being red. But it was by far like the most genuine fat finger you could ever have in your life. I mean, there's accidental orders that you place on too many cons and you call it a fat finger. This was the most genuine fat finger in the history of trading. not all heroes wear capes. That is true. That is true. All right, Naz really just kind of chilling out here. Hang on, chat. Be right back. All right. Sorry, I had to check out my son because he started crying. But he good. He good. All right, now it's coming down to VWAPski. See if we get a retest on the VWAP. Maybe catch a bounce off there. Get a little VWAP bounce. How old's my son? He's 1. Oh, God, chat. My wife went to Southern Brew. Hello? Hey.
I'm going to Southern Brew.
I saw.
What do you want?
Something similar to what I told you.
That would be my cinnamon roll thing that I get.
That is some serious white girl shit. All right, let's just do it. I don't know if I want that. Hang on, let me look. Let me look and see what we got.
Brown sugar, cinnamon syrup with white chocolate, and then they have espresso, and then it's half and half.
I'm looking. Hang on. Man, I don't know. Now you've thrown me off. Salted caramel. Let's do. I guess an iced latte.
Iced latte?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait, hold on. Is that espresso?
I don't know.
Chaz, latte's espresso? It is? Okay. Do a latte with the extra espresso shot.
Do what?
Do the iced latte with this added espresso.
Okay.
Thank you.
Alright, love you.
Love you. There we go. There we go, chat. We're getting an iced latte. Don't come at me, chat, for getting iced coffee. All right, relax. 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 Maybe I'm coming over to the dark side, all right? There's my VWAP settings. Subs. Donkey's Eye Mocha Coffee is the nectar of the gods, and I'll die on that hill. Holy moly. Donkeys. Are we talking about like... Wait, like Dunkin' Donuts? Is that what we're referring to? Oh, baby. Dunkin' Donuts. I used to go through their drive-thru and get some stuff. They got pretty good coffee. They do got pretty good coffee. The donuts are ass with the coffee slams. How you gonna name your restaurant Dunkin' Donuts, but then the donuts be trash? Holy. I don't think I've actually ever had the donuts at Dunkin' Donuts. I've always gone there to get like coffee or something. I don't think I've ever had their food. Ciao, all roads lead to VWAP. All roads. Classic instance of never meet your heroes. Uh-oh. Looks like we're gonna go close back below the 15-minute range high. It may go back to IB low, possibly. Let's take a look at IB here. Right in the middle, right at the VWAP. IB low down at 113-ish. Catching a nice little bounce off VWAP here. I don't know why my my orb indicator is so like trash right now. Hold on. 15 minutes. Okay. Yeah, it's not even working. All right, we gotta get rid of that. I need to throw my sessions back on here because it's not working either. Nothing's working for me today, chat. I don't know what's going on. Everything's just breaking for me for some reason. Like even here, it's not even showing. It's not even showing Asia for me. The Asia session, which is weird. Or am I just dumb? Wow, hold on. There we go. I was dumb. There we go. All right. Looking like, I mean, yeah, we're London low is way down there. We're already way past Asia highs and stuff, so. Now it's looking like it's trying to catch a little buy up off view up here. My son's in his playpen. I have to keep checking on him every now and then while my wife's gone because she's getting the coffee. I gotta peep in there every now and then, chat. Give a little peep. How to get a camera for your youngest child escape when she got older? Yo, this little dude, he already an escape artist. Oh my god, my wife's calling me again, chat. Holy moly. Hello?
Hey,
Hey.
the iced latte is just like espresso shots and milk. Is that what you want?
Yeah.
You don't want it sweet at all?
No, that's fine.
Okay.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
All right. Chat, we're trying to hold view up here. Do we hold? Midline is 21192. Yeah. It's probably because I was on regular trading hours. Wait, why is my... There we go. There. This is the electronic trading hours. This is RTH. Oh my god, chat, what is the NAS doing, brother? Like, we're just slow. RTH is the regular trading hours at markets, like the market open hours. Electronic shows pretty much through the whole night. All right, now is really trying to catch a buy up now. Let's see if we hold this. Maybe we catch another opportunity for a long. I don't know, right in the middle of everything. A little bit of a dip there. This market is so tough to trade. This is definitely a see profit, take profit market. It's tough to hold trades here. That was a pretty weak close on that candle. I don't know. I'm too 50-50 chat. I'm just going to wait and be patient, let it play out. I'm too 50-50 on what could happen here. Like, I could see us ripping higher here after holding VWAP, but I could also see this rounding out and going lower. Probably going to wait and be a little more patient. Quick in and out. I hit TP before I could do anything. Love those. Yeah, those are nice. Those are nice. That was like my trade earlier. Like I literally set a limit order at 260 and it screamed all the way back up to my TP. Still trying to get some juice here. Unable to really get any higher. I don't know. Jazz market's tricky. Tricky market. Not overly excited to trade it. Here come a little more sellers. Hovering these 26s, 25s, 26s. Right at VWAP here. Do have a little bit of liquidity stacked lower. Not much. Not a whole lot. Nah, I was trying to get a little bit weak here. VWAP versus 9 or 21 EMAs. I don't really use EMAs. I know a lot of people that do. I'm more of just like, I look at two things, like VWAP and initial balance. That's really it. That's all I look at. I feel like the more stuff you add to your chart, the more confused you get, right? I mean, you add VWAP, you add EMAs, you got cumulative delta, you got, you know, SMA, whatever. I mean, it's like if you add too much, they're all going to tell you different things, right? And you're gonna get confused. So it's tough to do that. A little retest off VWAP there. Now it's trying to get weak. I agree. I suffer with too many things on my charts. Yeah, it happens, man. It really does happen. It can be tough. You add too much and you start to get confused. Now it's getting back above VWAP here. Really nice move up here. Really nice move on Nasdaq. Back above VWAP. Now it's trying to catch some really good buyers here. We get back above like these 250s, 260s. We could go straight back up, chat. Straight back up. Is your VWAP basis on session? Pop these 260s, chat. We could go. And nada. Nada. Right back down. Holy. What a market, chat. What a market, bro. Camera's died again. Love that. We'll keep the camera off for now, chat. Gonna have to let the camera charge. This is just tough to trade, bro. I don't know. I'm really loving gold at night, chat. I'm not gonna lie. I mean, look at these wicks, dude. This is brutal. Absolutely brutal. Need to learn gold. Dude, it's so good. Gold is so good. I mean, look at that. That's just so dirty. Like, so dirty. I mean, I like that we're trying to hold VWAP still and just trying to gain some legs on it. Long's looking pretty good. But man, these wicks are just dangerous. Dangerous, dangerous, dangerous. See, one more good setup for these funded accounts, and then we'll lock these things up and move to different accounts. I mean, look at that, dude. Brutal. The wigs are disgusting. Look at this, look at the 1 minute. We saw this yesterday. We saw this actually here too. Here. And then yesterday. See here before the big move happened. Same thing. We're seeing these periods of accumulation like this before we get the big move. Shopping around here, holding. Still holding VWAP, so I mean, it could gain some legs here. We'll see. Got to be careful though. PA is tricky, tricky, tricky. A lot of accumulation here. Just noticed that yesterday we accumulated above VWAP, W pattern, now it's below VWAP. Yeah. I mean, it's kind of accumulating right at VWAP too. I mean, it's not really necessarily below. We're kind of just chopping it. But yeah, we could get bearish here for sure. I mean, it could go either way. It's 250-50. This is why I'm staying out of it. I want no part of this. No part of it. All right, still holding VWAP once again. Holy. I'll call this is where I play with spin my chair until something happens. Yeah, no kidding, bro. No kidding. No kidding. Chat, I may just call it a day, honestly. I have no need to trade this. I mean, I'm green on the day. I don't really want to give back profits on some BS PA. So I might just call it a day. And then come back this evening for the gold stream. So I think that's what we're going to do, chat. We're going to come back for the gold stream tonight. We'll be live at 6:45 p.m. 6:45 p.m. Central. Code JM on all prop firms. Take profit, Tradify Apex. Y'all know the deal. All affiliate goes back into the community for giveaways. I will call it a day there, fam. Hope you guys have a good rest of your day. Continue to be safe, trade safe, avoid the bullshit, and stay green, baby. I'll see you guys this evening for some gold trade.